sucker auction house. What shall we put up this time? You know, I don't have any idea what this is. Seriously, none. Who'll start the bidding?
Bid here, mate.
Bid, sir. Going once. Going twice.
I have a bid here. Please, little people, please.
Right here!
Over 500. Now that is something.
I say here, sir.
Over here!
That is pathetic.
Please, little cheeky,
ass, eh?
please.
Hey, over here!
800. A nice round number. They're officially in 4-digit land.
Right here!
You're supposed to be rich.
Here, sir.
Going once, going twice. So, to the hat and the mustache. I think that's a no.
Yeehaw!